Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Skip app review to see if it's worth using. Skip is a business funding app designed to provide quick capital solution for small businesses and a startup. The app stands out for its fast approval process and a flexible repayment term, making it ideal for businesses and needing urgent cash flow support. Unlike traditional lenders, Skip has more lenient credit requirement, which can be a lifeline for newer businesses or those with less than a perfect credit. However, the convenience comes at a cost interest rate and are typically higher than a bank loan, and funding amount may be limited for unestablished businesses. So if you need a fast short-term financing and can manage the higher cost, Skip can be a valuable option. And talking about the platform is best for small businesses facing a cash crashes or those struggling to qualify for traditional loan. Skip is the best option for you, and that's it.